Hey everyone, just a quick rundown of what we're working on this week. I'll get this posted to Classroom as soon as I can. Virtual and in-person students, it won't be very different, so I'll kind of capture it all in one video. Um, as always, click on a day to see what our main assignments are. Remember, our weekly playlist is where you can find your links to videos and a basic rundown of what we're doing for the week. But always check those assignment posts for more specific details, including handouts, due dates, etc. All right, so for our virtual students, remember our Zoom's going to be starting here in a few minutes, so jump on there. Always check out the Week in a Nutshell video and listen to the PowerPoint over class info. This is for virtual students only. I want you to go ahead and read pages 2 through 5 in your study skills book and complete pages 6 and 7. You'll turn that in via Google Classroom. For our in-person students, we'll be doing that learning in class, but I want to make sure that we stay on track to be doing the same things both at home and in person. All right, Tuesday's learning, you're going to do take a look at an Edpuzzle video. Our main focus for this week is a topic called metacognition. And if you listen to my PowerPoint and through our assignments for this week, you're going to learn a little bit more about that. But you're going to start with this Edpuzzle video. You'll be listening and then answering some questions on Edpuzzle. Remember to use your Google login to get in there. You should all be in the class, so it shouldn't be a problem. But if you ever have a trouble logging into Edpuzzle, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you sign out and then sign back in just where it says login via your Google sign in. So after you're done with that, we've moved on to our study skills book, which is your, it's entitled The Middle School Student's Guide to Study Skills. You're going to be reading chapter 2 up to page 14 in your study skills book, and you're going to complete pages 15 and 16. Okay, so 15 and 16, you're reading about students, some different students, and you're thinking if they're metacognitive. So you're thinking if what they're doing is showing signs of being a metacognitive student. And if you remember in the PowerPoint, it talks about how metacognitive students are focused on learning, have identified their learning goals, made adjustments to their learning environment if it's not working, as well as their learning strategies, and are able to gauge their progress. So you're answering, are these students metacognitive, and why or why not? So make sure you're answering your questions in complete sentences and take a picture and upload to Google Classroom. All right, for Wednesday, you're going to watch another video that tells you a little bit more about metacognition. You're going to take notes on this video in any form that works for you. So you can use any of the following or a style that you like. You might use 2-column notes, an outline, doodle notes. You can color code them. You can do a mind map, anything that works for you. And then you're also going to complete the metacognitive homework survey in your study skills book, pages 17 and 18. You're going to answer those questions based on the homework that you've done for today. So it can be homework for this class or other classes, but that's what you're basing your assignment on. Make sure that you upload both pictures, a picture of your notes about the YouTube video on metacognition and pictures of page 17 and 18 in your study skills book. All right, for Thursday, you're going to keep working on the same topic of metacognition, and you're going to be creating a poster. The guidelines for this poster are posted on Thursday's assignment post. Make sure you follow all those guidelines included on the directions, and I want you to use color and creativity. So you can choose how big your poster is. An 8.5 by 11 sheet of regular white paper is totally fine, but you need to make sure that your poster is visually appealing and in a final form. Okay, so this is a project you're going to be working on today and tomorrow, and you will be submitting it via a post that says Thursday, Friday classwork post. So you really only have one assignment for Thursday and Friday. I really want you to focus on this poster. So look on that Thursday, Friday assignment post for more details. And Friday's learning, you're finishing your metacognition poster. Make sure your work's in final form. Kind of have someone at home look over it and make sure it looks good, and you're going to submit via Google Classroom. Remember, the directions for the metacognition poster are located on your Thursday, Friday assignment post. There's some different things you have to do. For instance, you have to have the word metacognition on there and define what it means. And you're going to have some goals to help you reach that stage of being a metacognitive student, as well as including color and making your poster look polished. So check those attached directions for all the details of what you need to get full credit on the poster. As always, contact me with any questions. I tried to make sure I spread homework out a little bit more over this week. Remember, you really shouldn't be spending more than 30 minutes a day on homework. Let me know if you have any questions on Friday by 5, and remember that all homework is due Sunday night by 11:59 p.m. All right, have a great week.